Getting your AI to respond correctly starts with having the right information. But how do you actually know that it's working? In this video, I'll show you how to use the knowledge-based retrieval tester inside of HighLevel to validate how your AI pulls and uses information before going live. For example, instead of guessing whether your AI will give the right answer, you can test real questions and see exactly what content it uses. Let's take a look at how it works. Inside your HighLevel sub-account, make your way over to AI agents on the left-hand side. From there, come all the way up to knowledge base. You can then create a new knowledge base or come to an existing one. In this example knowledge base, I've only added one table to test. You can see under tables over here, I have one Google Sheet connected. This Google Sheet is a simple expense report. Let's say for whatever reason, I wanted to add that to my knowledge base. Once it's connected, I want to see if the knowledge base is actually using that information. You can test that by going all the way down to the bottom right corner. You will see a test retrieval option. If you are on Mac, you can also click on Command K or simply click on it. When you do, a side menu will pop up where you can have a conversation with your knowledge base. In my example sheet over here, I'm going to ask what was the opening balance for day one. It should be $10,000. If I come back to test retrieval, type in my question over here, what was the opening balance on day one? You can test example questions that your clients may ask. If the conversation AI is going to be responding to it, then this is the place where you can test it. On the right hand side, you can also toggle between Agent Studio and Voice AI. If I click on enter, you'll see at the top here, it will say strong match. Your knowledge base can answer this confidently. Below that, you'll see what source it would pull that information from. Again, in my case, it was that Google Sheet. If you have added other sources like your website and the knowledge base is trained on all that information, when testing, it will also pull that information and give you an answer. I've gone ahead and added a bit more information to my knowledge base, and when I ask it another question like what is your website and click on enter, again, it will show you exactly which source that information is inside of. In this case, I put it inside an FAQ, and you'll see my answer is highlevel.com. To close out the test retrieval panel, click on the X in the top right corner. And again, anytime you want to go back, just click on the button in the bottom right corner. And that's how you can use the knowledge-based retrieval tester inside of HighLevel to validate and improve your AI responses before they reach your customers. If you want to learn more about this feature and others like it, head over to the Content Army YouTube playlist, the help docs, or the Did You Know blog. Links are down in the description. That's it for this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.